Hey Jim, how you doing? This is Anthony. I spoke to you on the phone in regards to providing a video to kind of give you guys a analysis on your web standing and the current clientele and traffic you're getting to your site. So I just wanted to start off here to give you a little bit of that information. There'll be some tips in here that you guys can implement to help, and obviously if you feel you need to reach out to me for some possible help, then we can discuss those options later. But I want to start out with just some standard Google statistics. Everyone knows that everyone uses Google. There's 5.6 billion searches a day on there, and 86 of them are performed on all search engines are performed on Google. These numbers down here I'll come back to and explain a little more later. But the three things that Google looks for in regards to ranking your website is content, citations, and backlinking. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content here. This is your main page, and we're kind of scrolling down. You definitely have some content. Alright, a good bit of content. The website's laid out nice. You guys may be good in regards to the content. They usually look for 1,000 to 1,500 pages or words, and you guys would definitely have that. So in regards to the content, you're good to go. Want to kind of look here in regards to cleaning services. I did a quick search in regards on Google to kind of see which one of your services is kind of searched the most in the Murfreesboro area, and I saw that you guys do the carpet cleaning, and that's actually the highest search word volume for the Murfreesboro area. So that's kind of what I'm basing it off on here, because it looks like you guys are missing out on a lot of potential clients for this keyword if that is a service that you provide. But up here, when carpet cleaning Murfreesboro, Tennessee is searched, 150 people searched that about a month. And as you can see, the Google ads are the first thing that pop up. Back to the statistics, less than 10% of people click on those paid ads, and about 91% of those people stay on the first page, with 75% of them clicking on the top three. So if we come back to here, we have the map pack area. This is technically considered an organic listing. You guys are not popping up in this area in regards to carpet cleaning. And back to the statistics, 44 to 61% of people click on one of those top three businesses in the Google map pack when they're searching. And you gotta keep in mind that the individuals searching for this specific keyword are probably looking for those services right away in your specific area. So this is a lot of traffic and potential clients you guys would be missing out on by not being in this top three. And that's where citations come into play. Citations is the name of your company, your phone number, and the address. And those are listed on directories. So a citation is just those three things listed on a directory. It can be on Facebook, it can be on YouTube, it can be on Yelp. And the people that pop up on these top three are the ones that have the most citations and the most backlinking and authority coming to their website. So you guys can increase your citations to help with this part of the issue. The next thing we'll talk about is the backlinking. So the backlinking drives the authority to your web page. It's kind of like a popularity contest. If a website links to your page, then Google looks at it as being more authoritative and gives you a higher ranking on their search results. But you have to make sure you get good backlinks. In regards to the carpet cleaning Murfreesboro, Tennessee, 1800 Safe Dry is the first, carpet green cleaning is the second, Yelp is the third, Oxy Fresh, Angie's List, Carpet Masters. I don't know if you guys are on the first page here. It doesn't look like it. And back to the statistics, only 4.8% of users actually only go to the second page. So that's a lot of traffic that you're missing out on. And 75% click on the top three. So these guys are getting all the business here for that specific type of service. But I've plugged your all's information into this Ahrefs site. It kind of gives me an analysis of your site and lets me know the organic keywords you're ranking for, your referring domains, and these backlinks that I was discussing, and the traffic kind of going to your site. As you can see, you guys have 0 traffic coming to your site per month. So it's kind of like having a vehicle with no gas. You have a website, but no one's going to it. And as you can see, carpet cleaning in Murfreesboro, Tennessee is searched 150 times. Carpet cleaning Murfreesboro is 100. We got some more here. Carpet Murfreesboro, Tennessee is 50. So there's some keywords in here. That right there is 250 people a month searching for these services in the Murfreesboro area, and you aren't populating on their search results, so they're not knowing that you provide the services. And if we go to your top competitor here, I'll kind of show you their overview. So as you can see with them, they have 28 referring domains, 32 backlinks with 29 organic keywords, and they got about 80 people a month coming to their website traffic wise. If we go into the keywords here, just to kind of see how they're playing out. Carpet cleaning Murfreesboro, Tennessee, 150 per month. They're in the #1 position. Carpet cleaning Murfreesboro, they're in the #2. So right there, they're getting about 70 plus people per month just from those two keywords coming to their website looking for services, probably converting into clients. Even if it's 10%, that's close to 8 new customers a month just from being in those positions on Google. But outside of that, looks like some things that may help would be adding some content in regards to the carpet cleaning on the first page. I don't see anything at first glance that might be on here, but that would help Google locate you better, that they know that you're providing that service. And then there's backlinks. We would need to come in here and get the same backlinks that your competition has, and then get additional backlinks. That way you can beat your competition and get that traffic moving to your site opposed to theirs. But that's pretty much all I have for you today. If you like the video, let me know, give me any feedback, and like I said, take those free tips and implement them to try to get you ranking higher than your competition and getting that traffic to you instead of them. And if you guys want to reach out to me for some assistance and potential partnership, then my email will be attached to the bottom of the email I'll provide in this video. So thanks for your time.